Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2015 Dodge Dart headlight. Begin by opening the hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly near the fender. Remove any plastic clips or screws securing the wheel well liner if needed to reach the bulb housing. Keep a small tray for screws and take photos of connectors to ensure proper reassembly later. Gather your tools and a replacement bulb rated for your 2015 Dodge Dart, then pop the hood and locate the headlight housing. Remove the rubber dust cover or trim pieces obstructing access, and disconnect the electrical connector by gently pressing the release tab. Twist the bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out, taking care not to touch the new bulb glass with your fingers to avoid premature failure. With the new bulb ready, avoid touching its glass and seat it firmly into the socket, twisting until it clicks into place and aligns properly. Reattach the electrical connector and temporarily reconnect the battery to test the beam alignment and function. If the light works, reinstall any removed trim or wheel well liners and secure all clips and screws. Double-check both headlights for consistent height and brightness before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.